What's going on, guys? My name is Carson the Feeder. I am the lead tinter here at Vernon Signature Audio. Today we have a navy blue 2026 Ram 1500 we're going to put some tint on. Today we're going to put our ceramic package. That way our film brand is SolarFree. We're going to put 35% on the front two doors and we're going to put 15% on the back. Let's go clean these windows and inspect the car. So typically we use a plotter when we cut out these patterns. For the sake of the video, I'm going to show you how to hand cut. I've done this for about 15 years and I've kind of learned that there's less people that know how to hand cut than what you think. So it's actually a really good luxury to have. Patterns lay a little bit better, but yes, when you're cutting out a whole vehicle, that's really where you get the plotter's benefit the most. So let's go ahead and start cutting.
Hey Mike, you're working on the boat?
See me, don't you?
All right.
What we're going to do now is we're going to take this heat gun and we're going to shrink this film and take the shape of the glass. I typically don't do this, I just done it long enough where I can stretch it. So for the sake of the video, we're going to show you what that consists of. So the first thing that we want to do whenever we get these windows, there's a lot of time, we got the luxury of this being a new car, but again, you want to do it anyways, is what you'll do, just spray these gaskets down. And you want to clean these out really good. Try to get as far in there as you can. Otherwise, that's really where the dirt comes from. Put the sticker on. Got the film shrink. Time to put the film on.
Asshole.
You good, you good. Oh, you got baptized today.
You.
That concludes 35% on the front two doors, 50% ceramic tint job on a 26 Ram 1500. If y'all are thinking about getting y'all's windows tinted, be sure to come by Vernon Signature Audio. We'll be sure to help y'all out. Thank y'all.